Hey, Aaron Fiordamondo from Fail Better Farms, or to my students, Mr. F. This is our 20-bed plot system behind me, and it's Guard Dog. And we have a system here in place designed by Jean Martin of the Market Gardener Masterclass program. It's a rotational program where a specific crop is designated for a specific bed, and because we know what is in what bed, we alternate crops with heavy feeders, light feeders, and everybody just rotates every single season. So next year, or at least the year following this year, we know that whatever was here at the very end actually is going to get rotated back to the first spot, and then whatever was in row 19 gets bumped to 20. So everybody just shifts down one, whoever falls off the end gets picked up on the other side. There's a reason why we do that, and that is because pathogens and the amount of compost that you would need to waste if you were to put it on every bed. Not every plant feeds the same. They're incredibly dynamic, different entities that have needs that are different from their neighbors and from even within their own family unit. So for example, if you're a cucurbit, you're gonna, which is like melons and stuff, you're gonna need to suck up a lot of nutrients, and that's gonna take compost. Next to it we could have greens, and then greens are not heavy feeders. So the following year, the cucurbits would bump down one, and the greens would now occupy the space. There's twofold reason why that's so good. First is that we'd only waste one row of compost instead of having to fertilize 2 rows, so our compost goes twice as far. Second, the pathogen load. Her hands are cold. The second thing is that the pathogen load, we're trying to break parasite cycles and pathogens. So any nasty that's associated with plant type A, let's say, we would make it followed by one that's not affected by the same stuff. So organically, we wouldn't have to waste money on chemicals or use chemicals at all to break that cycle. We can just use common sense crop rotation strategies. Not mine, Market Gardener Masterclass, but